Today
time saving.
we are going to make a unique cabbage dish. It's a cabbage salad which is not the same as normally prepared by people. It's a very unique style, a unique way. And these are the ingredients. We have the main item, cabbage here. And then we have salt, chili flakes,
Sichuan pepper,
Sichuan pepper,
garlic.
and then
Garlic.
we will be using garlic.
That's all.
It's a simple and a healthy dish. Anybody can prepare.
This is
Start
nice.
by slicing or chopping cabbage into thin parts.
Like this.
Remember, it is important to have a sharp knife when you are slicing something into thin layers, either vegetable or meat. You can achieve the thinnest possible portions by having a sharper knife. For this, you can have a grinder, hand grinder, or grinding stone, or electric grinder. And that's the sliced, striped cabbage. The thinner, the better. Boil some water in a saucepan. Insert striped cabbage momentarily in order to make it softer. Insert striped cabbage into boiling water. You can use cabbage without softening this way as raw, but this way it makes a more tastier and easier to bite. Softer the better. It was boiled just a minute only. It was taken out, take a strainer
Make it yellow.
and put it to strain the water. And remember, the cabbage must retain its green color. It should not turn into yellow. If it is yellow, that means too softer and boiled longer. Boiling must be very momentary, just to retain its color while getting a little softer. Add a pinch of salt and then stir. Add little oil into a saucepan and put in the stove.
You can, it's up to your flavor.
Chop few garlic cloves, and you can avoid garlic if you don't like it.
This one first.
When the oil is boiling, add
Yeah. They give one
Sichuan
very good
pepper,
smell. Then,
about 1
yeah,
teaspoon.
when it is, you see the good smell?
Don't let it boil too much,
Yeah.
and
Then off the fire because it's too hot. You put this, it will burn.
off the fire, and then put the
After some
chili
time,
flakes.
yes, put the chili flakes.
Add the boiling mixture into the cabbage and stir.
Flakes.
The boiling oil makes it
Yeah.
nicer and it's more softer and
Some people like
tasty.
this eat.
This is a unique way of cooking cabbage. It retains its color, the taste, natural taste, as well as the quickness of the dish. Makes it very easy for anybody to prepare in minutes or rather seconds. That's the finished dish. Remember, before you add chili flakes, you have to off the stove. Do not add chili flakes while it is still boiling, because it will emit difficult gases as well as it will burn the mixture. That's the completed dish. It's delicious, nourishing, and retains the natural taste of cabbage. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.